Hi, I'm John Ward, and today we're going to review my WRX 2023, also known as the VB model, which stands for Very Bitchy. So let's get to it. People like to talk trash on the new WRX, saying that it's slow, it's ugly, or it's outdated. Those same people are the ones that are buying their Civic Type Rs or Corolla GRs and paying $10,000 in markup or more. That is money that you can rather save, keep in your pocket if you get this car, and do what I do, use that money to go to bars, pick up chicks, and get pussy. This car here comes in a beautiful World Rally Blue, and we also got 4 doors. And you know what they say, 4 doors, more whores. This WRX is all-wheel drive, as expected, and it's also got this cool as shit lava rear lights. I mean, look at that. Just look at that, man. I almost want to touch it. Ah! On this car, I got these 17-inch chrome-plated wheels installed. And why 17 instead of 18, you may ask? Easy. 17s are lighter, so it allows for faster acceleration, and I also get more tire sidewall, which allows for a comfier ride, or when I got a girl in the back, a comfier fucking. I know that a lot of people online hate these black fenders, but they don't see the benefits of it. One, they're all covered with this golf ball texturing, which is supposed to like reduce air drag to 0, and they're black. And you know what they say, once you go black, you never go back. Just ask my ex-wife. As we can see here, we got the new FA24 Boxer engine, FA standing for fast as hell, and 24 because it's a 2.4 liter. Coincidentally, 2.4 liters is about the amount of liquor I can handle before I pass out drunk. I've also installed this corn cob intercooler and charge pipe. Allows me to run a mix of about 85% ethanol and 15% corn oil. It's supposed to give me like 1,000 horsepower or something. And it's also more environmentally friendly or some shit. With this build, I'm easily gapping stock STIs left and right. And sure, some will say they have better brakes. But I say, why would they want to use their brakes when they're behind me eating my dust? Taking a look at the inside, you can tell that I got the base model because I'm based, and I got 2 screens. And as we all know, 2 is always better than 1. Just like having 2 girls for a threesome. I also got this weighted knob installed, which allows for faster shifting, or when I got a hot date on my seat, they can practice handling my shaft before they handle my real shaft back in my apartment. Ball funneling included. And lastly, on the base model, we got a standard classic key ignition system because I like to turn on my cars like I like to turn on my girls. The rear seats also fully come down, allowing you for extended storage space, or in my case, when you want to shove in a bunch of ice and tow packs for those long extended camping trips with the guys. And that's my 2023 WRX. A very fun and relatively cheap car, especially if you want to mod it for more power. And if you'll excuse me, I'll be off to go smoke some STIs and Evos, if those are even still around. Subaru Nation, peace!